Bonjour students, my name is Rupali, your social studies teacher from Elite American Corporate School, Patiala. What we did in last lecture? Yes, we have covered, beginning of the farming, invention of the wheel and domestication of animals. And today we are going to discuss Neolithic tools, pottery making and life of the people. Let's start with the Neolithic tools.
Neolithic tools. Mortars and pestles were two very important Neolithic tools. They were used for grinding grains. Neolithic tools are completely different from Paleolithic tools. Neolithic tools were well polished with a fine cutting edge. Paleolithic tools, however, continued to be made and used. Some tools were also made using bones. Neolithic tools have been found in Barzoham in present-day Kashmir and Maski, Brahmgiri, Nasirpur and Halur in Karnataka. Pottery. Farming gave rise to pottery making. At first, they stored the grains in large baskets or they preserved it in pits or trenches that they dug below the ground. Storage of grains till the next cultivation season created the need of pottery. Many kinds of earthen pots were used by the Neolithic people. They were plain, different in color and had decorations on them. Earthen pots were also used for cooking food. Cloth making also started during this age. They wove clothes using different kinds of materials. Cotton began to be grown during this period. Life of the people. There is no direct archaeological evidence regarding the customs and practices of the Neolithic people. Anthropologists studied the lives of present-day farmers who practice simple agriculture and also observed the lives of herders. They made inferences that these farmers and herders lived in groups called tribes. The eldest or the strongest was the leader. Every member of the tribe was assigned a task or tasks like making tools or hunting. People exchanged their surplus with others' surplus. This system is known as the barter system. This was the earliest form of trade. Chalcolithic age. Use of metals. Gradually, the early humans began to use copper along with stone tools. This happened around 6,000 years ago and this period is called Chalcolithic age, also known as Copper Stone age, starting from 4000 to 2000 BCE. Copper came into use since it was stronger as compared to stone. This Chalcolithic age is important since it marks the shift from the use of stones to metals. Material remains of the Stone Age have been found in the northeastern states in Thibronggiri, Mismegiri, Selbigeri and Rongram Alagiri. In Mizoram and Manipur, also remains of stone tools have been found. Dausali, heading in Assam, is an important Neolithic site. Pestles and mortars, polished stone tools and some pots have been excavated from this site. These findings points towards a probability that people were growing grains and using these grains to prepare food. Tools made of fossil wood have also been found here. Another important find is a stone, jadeite, which most probably was brought from China.
I hope chapter number 3 of history is clear to everyone. Okay, now who will tell me the story of early humans? I know I have given you a homework. Yes, who will tell me the story of early humans? Okay, now make a video of story on early humans and send it to me. Okay, and do the question answers in your social studies notebook and other back exercise like fill in the blanks, MCQs, pick the correct, true, false, etc. in your book itself. Thank you students. Stay safe, stay healthy, take care.